Hello everyone, today I am making this fridge magnet using old spool from my crochet threads and a magnet from one of my broken magnets. So let's begin. I am using Fevicryl Shilpkar for this. It is sort of M-seal. You can take M-seal also instead of Fevicryl. It is non-sticky, so it is I use this for my clay work. So I've already mixed these the two parts of the M-seal, and now I'm starting to make the flowers. While my flowers are drying off, I am coloring this spool. This is the magnet. I'm going to stick it behind